Welcome to Auto Trends. Today the McLaren 750s is a masterpiece of engineering, blending cutting-edge technology with breathtaking performance. As the successor to the acclaimed 720s, the 750s takes everything to the next level, offering enhanced power, agility, and refinement. Under the hood lies a twin-turbocharged 4.0-liter V8 engine, now producing 750 horsepower and 590 lb-ft of torque, making it one of the most potent supercars in its class. This power is delivered to the rear wheels through a seamless 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, enabling the 750s to sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.7 seconds and reach a top speed of 212 miles per hour. The 750s isn't just about raw speed, it's a symphony of precision and control. McLaren has fine-tuned the suspension, aerodynamics, and steering to deliver an even more engaging driving experience. The proactive chassis control system ensures the car remains composed and agile, whether you're carving through tight corners or cruising on the highway. The lightweight carbon fiber construction, a hallmark of McLaren's design philosophy, keeps the car nimble and responsive, while the aerodynamic enhancements improve downforce and stability at high speeds. Inside, the 750s combines luxury with a driver-focused layout. The cabin is adorned with premium materials, including Alcantara and leather, and features an advanced infotainment system with a high-resolution touchscreen. The driver's seat is positioned perfectly to offer an immersive experience, with every control within easy reach. Despite its track-ready capabilities, the 750s doesn't compromise on comfort, making it suitable for both spirited drives and everyday use. The McLaren 750s is more than just a car, it's a statement of excellence. It represents the pinnacle of McLaren's engineering prowess, offering a perfect balance of performance, luxury, and innovation. For those who demand the best, the 750s is a dream come true, delivering an unparalleled driving experience that excites and inspires at every turn.